Hello, future entrepreneurs. Jermaine back here with another video from TrueFreedomIncome.com. Hope you guys are doing awesome today. Today is August the 2nd of 2025, and we have made it to day number 105. Now, just want to make a correction here. Yesterday, when I came on, I did mess up on the video on what day it was because um, one of my videos did not upload the day before yesterday. So I got off track on what day it was, and I was a day ahead of myself, all right, or a day behind. So I wanted to make that correction. Today we are on day number 105 of this My Legion Secret Challenge. And if you guys have no idea what I'm talking about, we are promoting one offer on ClickBank. We're using a service called My Legion Secrets. We're seeing if we can make a full-time income within 1 year of doing so, and we are on month number 4. All right, guys. So just wanted to come back here with another video to show you guys what we're doing, and if you guys want to be a part of this, subscribe to this channel, like this video. Let me know what you think about this stuff. Okay. Now, this channel that I made, True Freedom Income, is all about, showing you guys what offers that are working for me. That way, if you want to go out and try those same offers, you can do that, or different methods that I'm doing that I'm earning income from. Okay. So I will always come here with this, to this channel and keep it real with you guys, to kind of show you what I'm doing. And if you want to duplicate what I do, you're more than welcome to do so. Okay. Now I have multiple sources of income. I do quite a few things online. This is just one method that I have that I am doing, guys, that I earn income from. So I just wanted to share this with you first before we jump into other stuff that I'm doing. Okay. So we're on day number 105. Let's go ahead and get into this method and what it's all about. We're using a service called My Legion Secrets. If you have no idea what that is, it's an email platform that provides 100 to 200 leads every single day. Okay. These leads are business opportunity leads. These people are actually looking for ways to make money online. Okay. So what we do as affiliate marketers, we go out and we grab offers that are related to making money online. We create an email, we send them out to this traffic. That's just pretty much it, guys. That's all this, what this is in a nutshell. Okay. So this service is going to provide us the 100 and 200 leads. Now, what separates the two is however many accounts that we have. Okay. The cool thing about My Legion Secrets, they let you have as many accounts as you want. Okay. Now, right now, me personally, I have 8 different accounts that I use. I come in every day. I send out emails every single day. I don't miss a beat. And just a little bit about myself. Okay. I've been with My Legion Secrets over a few years now. Okay. I totally love the service. Promoted tons of different offers to this traffic. I can tell you that these leads do work. Okay. They are real. They do convert. Okay. I've earned money from promoting My Legion Secret itself. I've earned money from referrals. I've earned money from promoting products to this service. Okay. So I can come in and I can tell you guys that this stuff does work. I'm not someone who's just trying to sell you on the program. And I just, I'm just something I'm just getting started at myself. It's something I've been doing for a few years, and I'm just now coming out to talk about it because it's working. Okay. So I wanted to come out here and share, share the wealth pretty much. Okay. Share ideas and network with people, okay, that are looking to ways to make money online. Right. So if you guys were to get started with My Legion Secrets, My Legion Secrets is going to look just like this in your back office if you were to get started today. Okay. You got all of these tabs here. Okay. That are available to you. The main tab that you're going to be hanging out at is this mailing system right here. This is where you're going to go and you're going to send out all your emails. Okay. What you would do, you would come down here. If you got a brand new account, click on select all. You come down here to the mailing system. You come down here to the, the middle section. You're either going to have subject line or you're going to have body of text. Okay. Now I've already sent out my emails today. Okay. You can send out one email every 24 hours. Okay. Which is pretty cool. So I can come in every single day and I can send out an email and get in front of, thousands of people and have a lot of eyeballs on my offer. All right. So let's go ahead and grab a subject line. Now, the offer that we're using is called Social Sales Rep, which is live chat jobs on ClickBank. Okay. This is a top offer on ClickBank that you can go to and promote this same offer. Okay. You can go do exactly what I'm doing. Okay. Or you can promote the other business opportunity offers that they have on ClickBank. Okay. You can go out and grab write out reviews, paying social media jobs, paid online jobs. I mean, they have so many, they have quite a few different business opportunity offers on ClickBank that you could use. So you actually don't have to do this if you don't want, but if you want to, okay, you can promote this offer. Okay. And the reason why I'm promoting this live chat job social sales rep is because that has a reoccurring billing to it every single month. Okay. So once someone signs up for this program, okay, they're going to make money, right? And then what's going to end up happening, they're going to get billed for the program each and every month to keep the service and to keep making money. Okay. So the cool thing about this is we do the work one time, we set it up one time, we get someone to sign up for a free trial. They get billed for the program 3 days later, and then they get billed every single month on that same day that they get billed. Okay, which is pretty awesome. Okay, and that's why I'm promoting this offer because all I got to do is just do the work one time, and then I'm gonna get paid over and over and over again, month in and month out. You know, people will be getting billed for the program, and on top of that, I'm getting brand new subscribers, new people coming in every single day, right? New trial offers. Okay, and then them getting billed that 3 days later, and that's a guaranteed commission. Okay, so now, some people don't stay, they cancel or whatever, but we have quite a few people that have been staying with us. And if you guys go back and watch these videos, okay, you're going to see we got some leads all the way from back from 3 months ago. Okay, that people are still with us. Okay, and they're still rocking with us, and they're obviously making money with this program. Okay, so what you would do is on ClickBank, you would pretty much go to one of these offers. They all have free email swipes. Excuse me. They all have free email swipes that you can use, guys. And there's going to be 20 of them. Okay. And what you would do, you would simply go to each and every one of these emails and you're going to use the subject line. Okay. You're going to use that, Control C, come over here, Control V, put that in right there. And I'll just do that for you in real time. So just Control C, grab that, come over here and Control V, like super easy, right? And you come down here to this body of text, you click on perfect timing, and then you take this out and then you put in whatever over here in this section, right? I'm not going to grab the whole thing. I'm just going to just grab whatever and then come over here and then, uh-oh, sorry about that, guys. And then we're going to just control, C. And then we'll take this out and then we'll put in this text right here, which is a first name. So you grab that. We want to address our prospect by their first name. And then you come here to the name tab, right? And you take that out and you put in Control V. Like it's just super easy to do. Okay, take that out. That way, when this email goes out, it says, "Hey Jermaine, hey John," and it goes into the text of whatever that is, right? It's super easy to do, guys. Okay, so and then once you do that, at the bottom, you're going to have. Let's go ahead and just do this real quick. Let me open up another tab. Okay, so we're back in it. So your back office is going to look exactly like this. The only thing different is going to be the emails that you're sending out versus what I'm sending out. Okay. And then just go ahead and grab one of these offers. Let's just say, for instance, you've already completed all 20 of those offers. Right here is where all of your emails are going to be stored. So pretty much what you would do, you would come in here and you would grab an offer, right? And you would just load it. Okay. If you've already sent out an email, that way this email is ready to go out. All you got to do is click on perfect timing and click on send. Like this, if you complete all 20 of these emails, they're going to be stored in your My Lead Gen Secret back office. So all you would have to do is go ahead and find the offer from your list, okay? And then from this list, right? And then you'll pick each and every one of them, okay? Which is pretty cool. So that's the cool thing about My Lead Gen Secret. I love the service, guys. Like I said, I've been doing this for a while, and it does work. Okay, that's why I'm still doing it, and I'm going to continue to do this for as long as this program is going to be around. Okay, I'm going to stick with it and see this thing to the end. Okay, So just wanted to show you guys how easy it is to send out an email in the My Legion secret system. If you guys want to get started, okay, I did leave a link below this video. Okay, let's go ahead and go down here. All you got to do is come down here where it says join My Legion Secrets. Click on that link. It'll take you to the My Legion Secrets program, and you go ahead and get started and get signed up. Okay, it's a $60 charge to get started. That's nothing. Okay, and then $30 a month to keep the service, right? It's just a no brainer. And what you're getting in return, you're getting hundreds and thousands of people each and every month. Okay, you're getting new subscribers every single day. Okay, once you sign up, what you want to do is if you want to get another account, which I would recommend, is you're going to sign up under yourself. Okay, and you're going to keep stacking your accounts on top of each other. Okay, and then what that does is every time you get billed for the program, you're going to get a kickback of, your monthly fee, and it's going to come to you. Okay, which is pretty cool. And that's what I did with 8 of my accounts. Okay. I signed up under somebody, and then I created another 7 accounts under my own subscription, right? And then I was able to duplicate all of my emails, and then the monthly fee that I pay for these accounts, it's all coming back to me. And then when I get ready to cash out, okay, every few months, I got, an extra 200 or 300 bucks that I could use to go do whatever I want with, just extra chump change, right? And that's just from doing your own accounts. And this is what I'm saying. There's multiple ways to make money with My Legion Secrets. So number one is you can promote My Legion Secret itself to your list. Okay, that's one. Number two is you can make money from the accounts of signing up under yourself and make money back from the My Legion secret. Okay. And then number three is you can promote different offers to this traffic and you can make money from networks. Okay. So there's 3 ways to make money with My Legion secrets. And it's just awesome, guys. So I would recommend getting started now. There's no reason to wait. If you're looking for something easy to do, if you know how to copy and paste, you can do this method, guys. It's just super easy. Okay. I'm not going to act like this stuff is hard. This stuff is easy to do. Okay. And if you're not doing it, I'm not sure what's going on. Okay. So that's it, guys. That's how you send out an email in the My Legion secret. Let's go ahead and go over here to ClickBank. Now, ClickBank is a network platform that you can go to. You can make money from ClickBank, and you can promote different offers. The main offers that you're going to want to promote, the main category niche is going to be make money online. All these people care about on My Legion Secrets is how to make money, right? So we're not going to go and grab any other offer that's different on ClickBank that has nothing to do with making money. We're just only going to promote make money online offers, guys. So just keep that in mind. All right. So let's go ahead and go over here to the reporting tab. We did send out an email last night, and I just want to check those results. All right. And let's go ahead and see what we got going here. Okay. So we're promoting this offer right here at the bottom. Social sales rep. Today we got 976 hops and then 947 unique hops. These are brand new people that came to our came to our website. Okay. And came to our affiliate page. We got one order from impression. Okay. And this is someone who clicked on the link and they went to the checkout page. They decided to buy the program for whatever reason, or they did not buy for whatever reason. Okay. And as you can see right here, guys, we did get a sale. We got a new free trial sale. Okay. And even though we didn't get the rebill right now, this sale is going to be paid out in 3 days. Okay. So we have Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. This sale should be paid out on Tuesday. Okay. Right before time goes in. Time goes in every Tuesday. Okay. Every Tuesday night at midnight. All right. And then whatever you earn from Tuesday midnight, all the way to the next Tuesday midnight is what you'll get paid on each and every week. Okay. Cool thing about ClickBank, they pay out every single week. I have, maybe a couple of checks coming from ClickBank. I haven't really looked, but I do have a check coming on Monday, okay, from our efforts in this challenge. And after on Friday, time will go in and you'll get paid on Friday. Okay, which can be direct deposit or check, whichever one. So not only will I get paid, I got paid, on Friday, which was yesterday. I got paid yesterday. We'll get paid every Friday. Okay. So whatever you've done, whatever emails and money that you've made from ClickBank, they'll pay you out on Friday. So you'll have money coming in every Friday. Okay. So myself, I have money coming in every single Friday from ClickBank. From this account, I have another account that I use that I do serious business with that I make money every week with that. But this account is just specifically for this method only. Okay. And we're making money every single week from that. All right, so just wanted to show you guys if you guys want to get started, you guys are more than welcome to kind of duplicate what I do, and you can start earning some extra chump change if you want to do that. Okay. Now the whole idea here, guys, is to get this up to a full-time income. You know, for most people, for some people, okay, that's living paycheck to paycheck, an extra 2 grand, 2,500, depending on how your life is, okay, the life environment that you live, cost of living. Some people, I'm just saying, I know some people that are living off 2,000, $2,500 a month, okay, here in Oklahoma, okay. So the cost of living is not too high here, so I'm going based off my surroundings and what you can live off of promoting this offer. Okay. So if we can get this thing up to 2,000 or 2,500, even 1,700, right? You can basically live off of this income in certain places. Okay. Big cities, New York, California, this is like chump change or gas money to certain people. But people in certain locations, just depends on where you are, the cost of living. I mean, some people can live off 2 grand a month. Okay. Just doing this method alone. Okay. And if not, okay, this could be extra income that you could use to pay your rent, pay a mortgage payment, help out with groceries, pay your electric bill, whatever. This is the type of extra income that you can use to do those things. Okay. So, and if you work this thing full time, if you send out emails every single day and you work it full time, it's going to pay you, it's going to pay you a couple thousand, a few thousand, maybe even up to $5,000, just depending on how many accounts that you have. All right. So I just wanted to share that with you guys and show you the results today. We did earn a free trial sale. Okay, we got a sale today. Okay, which is really good. Okay, um, and that's a really good thing, guys. So we'll get paid this. We'll be looking for this coming Tuesday. Now, tomorrow we're gonna come back here. We're gonna shoot this video, but I'm gonna be looking for some kind of rebill or maybe another initial sale. But I'm definitely gonna be looking for a rebill coming from somewhere that somebody signed up within these last few months that when we first started. There's gonna be somebody that's gonna sign up. Okay. Now, as you can see, our algorithm. Let's check the algorithm again. We've been seeing either every day, every other day, right, or every 2 days. Okay, we haven't went more than 2 days without a sale before. So what I'm thinking is tomorrow that we're going to have a rebuild coming from somewhere. Okay, and I'm just going off the algorithm. I'm not promising you that what's going to happen, but stay tuned tomorrow and see if the algorithm is where it's at. Okay, 2 days has been the longest that we've gone without a sale. Okay, so I'm going to come back in here tomorrow, and I'm going to check the results and see how we did from last night's emails. Okay, so if we earned a commission, and then I will come back here, guys, at the same time, same place, and we'll show you results on how we did tonight. So I'm gonna end this video on that note, and I'll holler at you guys tomorrow at the same time, same place. All right, guys, peace.